quick, easy fix for your Chinese ATV ignition switch. Okay, this is one here. I used it once, come back out a month later, dead. So, point is they're shipping them over here without any kind of grease inside of the switch. You take your fingernail file on some clippers, like so. Let's see. You go inside there, behind these little squares. This piece here springs out. It'll come out and you'll see the contacts to it. Let's see. They're spring loaded and it mashes against this plate. There's no grease in here at all, no lubrication. So that's the problem with all these new ones. They're not putting any kind of lubrication. Now, I don't know if they're doing it because they're treating it to keep them from corroding on the shipping over here or what the problem is. But anyway, if you'll put you some grease on your contacts there, you will have a switch that works, because the switch seems to be as good a quality as the switch normally is. It just doesn't have any lubrication in it. That's all that's wrong. Hope this helps somebody out.